Okay. So, student, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The thing is, I'll wait for 1 more minute because after sharing my screen, I can't allow the student to come in. So, good evening, students. Today, I'll be briefing you about the concepts of branding and the promotion of startups. Okay. So first, there are the three words in this, you could say, the title of the seminar. The first one is the branding, then the promotion and the startups. Okay. So anyone knows what is this startup is? Anyone have any idea about what's exactly the startup?
Starting a business.
Starting a business. So, yeah, it's your business is at very early stage, is in the initial stage. Okay, it's not the established one. Okay, you are just about to launch your product or you are about to launch your app. Okay, so that's we can say is the startup. Okay, now, so in the whole presentation, or what I'll be focusing more on, what, why, and how. Okay, what it means is what is branding. Okay, and why it is required. Okay, and how to do it. Okay, so what are the few steps with which you can do the branding of your product, the branding of your service, if anything. Okay, so I'll be focusing on these three main points: what is branding, why it is required, and how to do it. Okay, so likewise, here is the agenda of my presentation. That is, what is branding and why it is needed. Okay, and there is general miscommunication. Always the people consider the branding and the marketing is almost same, but it's not. Okay, so we'll find out what is the exact difference between the branding and the marketing. Okay, and why it is required for the startups. Okay, and what are the different steps with which we can do the promotion and the branding of our product. Okay, and at the end, okay, I'll be explaining you or giving you few examples of the startup companies, okay, founded by our very own students, okay, by our own alumni. So I'm going to show you 2 3 examples of that, and then I'll conclude the session. Okay, So here in this slide, I'm going to show you few pictures. You just see one by one, and then at the end you tell me what comes exactly in your mind. Okay, so I am just popping a few pictures here on the screen. Okay, one more, and this is, yeah. So can anyone just tell me what is this? If these pictures are in front of you, and are they familiar to you? Are you familiar with these names and some symbols, something,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
right? Because these are what, if you ask me, these are what, these are the brands. Okay, if you are, if you see the first picture, almost all of you know this. What is this Google search engine? What is Facebook? We are using it. Okay, the thing is, we know these things, we are using it. We are using so many services at Amazon. Okay, so this is nothing but what, these are the logos of few of the companies. Okay, and these logos are prepared with the name of the companies. Okay, they use some kind of typography, some colors and something, and so that since the people are using it, people know these things, right? And in the middle figure you can see few of the symbols. So yeah, this is a symbol of YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on. Okay, so this is what called as, these are the logos, but this is the, this is the particular brand. Okay, yeah, Coca-Cola, yeah, this is the brand of the cold drink. Okay, so this is what, this is in our subconscious mind, and just by looking at the pictures we know that yes, this is so and so product from so and so company. Okay, so this is what called as the branding. Okay, so we'll see in technical term what exactly it is. So branding is a marketing strategy aimed to make people quickly identify and experience an organization's brand or product, or select them over the competitor's product. Now I'll tell you in detail. See, yes, many startups, they feel like the branding is only for the multinational companies or big corporations. Okay, because they have big fund with them. Okay, and it is not for the startup, but that is absolutely wrong. If you want to stand in the market, the branding of startup companies is must. Okay, the startup, what they think, that they have the limited resources, they have limited fund, so they don't want to spend more on the branding, because they think that there are so many important things on which they can spend their fund or their money. Okay, so it doesn't matter what kind of company you have or what kind of customer you are looking for. If you are in the business, you will have a very tight competition, and who will give you the unique identity is the branding. Okay, so branding helps you establish the way in which you are different, you are unique, you have the distinct identity. Okay, and it shows your customer why they should work with you instead of the other competitors. Okay, so the branding is just as important for the startup as it is for the well established companies. Okay, so here is now, and what is there in this figure is these are the four factors which can contribute to the startup branding. Okay, what's the first one? Whatever is your website, your logo, whatever you will design for your branding, that should have some background story. So this factor should be included in that. What's the background of your startup? Okay, which product you are making? So what does your product do? Which promise you are giving to your customer? Okay, so it should include in that brand. Okay, what values? Okay, so what drives the startup or your team? Okay, and the last one, which is very very important, and that's what your visual identity. Okay, how you keep the name of your startup, what will be the name and why you are giving that name to it, how that name will look, what will be the logo of that, that everything comes under this visual factor. Okay, so when you combine all those factors together, that gives, that will become the brand of your product or your app or your service. Okay, student? Yes. Now we got the one point, that is what is branding. Then what is promotion? Are they the same or something different? Okay. So here is the answer. Promotion involves all kind of communication activities that inform your potential customer, or about the existence of your product, services, ideas, and pursue them to buy. Okay, so it's a kind of communication which tells students, which tells people, right, now go ahead for the particular product, go ahead for the particular service or the idea. Okay, so what is branding? It is more about, gives you the visual impact, and the promotion is what it involves, the kind of communication. Have you got this 2 points clear? Okay, or see what is happening nowadays in today's environment. The companies need to bid out in the competition. Okay, and there are more and more startups are coming daily, right, in all the sectors. Okay, so it is becoming very hard and very difficult to attract the potential investor as well as the customer. Okay, so in order to stand out with a distinct identity, the startups are forced to invest in the branding much earlier in their initial stage. It is not something like you founded a company and then after 2 3 years you are going for its branding. No, the moment you start working on your design or working on your product, the same moment you also start thinking about the branding of your company. Okay, and how to do the promotion of the same. Okay, so that's why I say this statement, that this the it the branding starts in the early cycle of your company. Okay, now what generally we think, that if I develop a product, okay, which has very good features, and it has not only the good features, but price wise it is the price is less compared to the other competitors, and it is convenient. Okay, and if you think that the consumers only think of these three factors, like features, the pricing, and then how good it is, if you only think in this way, there are just, I'll tell you that just 5% of the customer or the consumer, they fall in this category, and accordingly they buy your product. Okay, but the 95% of, if you ask me, the customer, they think in a different way. Okay, what they think is, the 95% of the customer, they will be driven by the factor that is created by the branding. Okay, they will be emotionally attached with your branding. So you need to create your branding in such a way that the customer should feel something about your company. Okay, and so the 95% of the people, they come under this category, and they think of your product in that way. Okay, and that's, it is very essential that you should do the branding and the promotion of your product, of your services much earlier. Okay, yes students. Now,
Yes.
so what I said again is, the more of the consumer, they emotionally they think, and that things fit into their subconscious mind, and then they recommend those brand to the others and so on. Okay, so to understand this point very well, I'll show you one video. It's of 3 minutes. Okay, so yeah, can you see this video?
ये मैं
Yes, ma'am.
ये यूसुफ लौटे यार सी मेरा। लाहौर में हमारे घर के सामने एक बड़ा बाग था। उस बाग का गेट पापा आदम के जमाने में। रोज शाम को हमने वहाँ पतंगे उड़ानी और उसके बाद जाके यूसुफ की दुकान से झजरिया चुरा के खानी।
झजरिया?
और मेरा साहब नमस्ते। नमस्ते। मेरी पोती मुंबई वाली। और बेटे क्या हाल है?
बचपन की तंग गली फिर से कूद फांदे, छोटी छोटी मीठी चोरी गांठ ले बांधे।
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
फजल स्वीट?
दादाजान, दिल्ली से किसी की कॉल है।
हेलो।
यूसुफ अंकल?
कौन?
जी मैं सुमन बोल रही हूँ दिल्ली से, आपके बचपन के दोस्त बलदेव जी की पोती। याद है बचपन में आप दोनों झजरिया चुरा के खाते थे?
बचपन की तंग गली फिर से कूद फांदे, छोटी छोटी मीठी चोरी गांठ ले बांधे। पतंग सा उड़ता था परिंदों की तरह, परिंदों की तरह, परिंदों की तरह। एक दौर था मन मन मोर था, एक दौर था मन मन मोर था।
ऑडिशन के वक्त हम रातों रात हिंदुस्तान आ गए। यूसुफ थी, भैया धनी।
कागजों की कश्तियों में डूबा रहता था, झांकती खिड़कियों में उलझा रहता था। वो भी क्या दौर था, मन पे न जोर था, एक दौर था मन मन मोर था, एक दौर था मन मन मोर था।
भैया थोड़ा जरूर।
मन मोर था।
हाँ जी। कौन? हैप्पी बर्थडे यार।
So, yes, student, we have seen this 3-minute video, and you know, what's given, what you have seen in that video is, there is, the two friends are emotionally attached and so on. Okay, but it is what the whole idea, that video is about the promotion of your Google search engine. Okay, but can you hear a single time in that video anybody utter that or say something like, oh, it's a Google and you get all the information if you just type it over here? Okay, so what the without uttering a single word about your brand or about your service, okay, they just try to connect the consumer or the customer emotionally, and when it gets fit in your subconscious mind, the people recommend those things. Okay, it was right from the two friends, one is here in India and the other one is the Pakistan, and how there so many years they were not in touch, they were not in contact, but just with the Google they got the contacts of each other and they made, and the Google gives you the every minute detail, like what's the weather in the India and everything. Okay, so in that single ad itself, this kind of promotion, it is a way of communication, right? So this video is nothing but what the promotion of the Google search engine. Okay, and without telling, yeah, I'm a Google search engine and I do that, and I you use me because I have this feature, that feature. No, this kind of statements they haven't used in the video. Okay, they just they picked one story and how it goes ahead with the help of Google that they shoot. Okay, so this is what the one need to keep in mind, that when you are promoting your product or your ideas or your design, you always think in which way I'll promote this thing, in which way I'll do the branding of my design or the product. Okay, yeah.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt, but some people are trying to join. Can you take them in?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ask them to join. I couldn't get any request. So shall I move ahead? I'm not getting any request now. Okay. I'm moving ahead with my presentation. So is there any better time for the startup? Sorry. Yeah. So let me tell you, there is never been a better time for the startup. Okay, you don't wait for the better time will come. No, don't wait for it. Okay. So here, the government is coming up with all kind of policies and the incentives to promote Startup India. Okay, now what is the Startup India is? It's actually the initiative by the government of India, Ministry of Commerce and uh, Industry. Okay, it's actually a single online largest platform for the startups and the entrepreneurs in India. Okay, so there are the programs such as the incubator programs and the accelerator programs. Okay, so now I'll tell you, I mean, you may not be knowing what is this incubator programs and the accelerator programs is. Like these are actually the institutions, the this incubator or the accelerators, we can say these are the institutions or the organizations. They help the entrepreneurs to develop their business, especially in their early stages. Okay, these incubators, they provide the technical facilities. Now the question is what kind of facilities they provide. Okay, so since we are talking about the startups, so okay, they have many issues in the initial stages. Like, so these incubators, they provide co-working space, they provide infrastructures, they provide lab facilities, they they do provide the mentorship and all those things, so that they can launch their product well in time. Okay, so what happens if you go into this site of the Startup India, you'll find there are many schemes or the programs Programs in SMART, it is a kind of a workshop or the events where you as a startup or the entrepreneur, you can participate in those events or the workshops, and these incubators or the accelerators, they will see you can win the those events, and you
Ma'am,
can get the cash prizes. Yes.
there are people in waiting room. Sorry, ma'am.
Now we'll stop taking the people. Okay, I'll continue with the presentation. So as I was talking about these incubators, right? So what they do is they provide the initial funding to this startup companies. They see their work, and they provide the facilities, like as I said, the co-working space and so on. Okay. I'll give you the example, like in the IIT Bombay itself, they have such an incubation center. So they provide their lab infrastructure and even the space to the startup companies. Okay, of course, there is a limitation that they cannot continue for a long period of time. But yes, they give this facility, I think, for 2 years or something. And during that period, if the startup they are able to launch their product, it is a very good thing. If it is not, then they need to move out of that. But so that is what I'm saying, that there are the incubators and the accelerators who will help you out, to launch your product into the market. Okay. So for that, even, I mean, if you're working on your product or the services, the same time you start working on the branding itself. So the branding is just as important for the new startup as it is for the established corporate players. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Now, so what is the difference between this branding and the marketing? Okay. So I'll just give you the example of the marketing first. Okay. Marketing is something like, buy my product because it is better than the others. Okay. Buy my products because it is good, it is cool. Okay. Buy my product because the celebrities are using it. Or buy my product, why? Because you have this problem and my product will fix up that uh, problem. Okay. So these all things, okay, this is called as the marketing. You're forcing actually the customer, you're trying to convince them that, buy my product because of so and so things. Okay. But the branding is something different. Okay. What it is, the branding is ultimately what it determines if you will become a lawyer. I'll give you the example. Sorry. With the marketing, you can convince your customer, like, buy the Toyota car. Okay. And what you'll think that, okay, this is, you'll also get convinced because you think that this is my first foreign car. Okay. And you can, which I'm buying. Okay. But will you be doing the same for the rest of your life? If the second time if you are trying to buy the car, will you go for the Toyota? Okay. Are you going for the rest of your life only for the Toyota cars? Okay. So that is what the branding. If you are convinced with the promise that company is making, then only you'll go for that particular brand. So that is called as the brand. And what's the marketing? It's some kind of tactic, some kind of tools you are using and trying to convince your customer, okay, go for my particular product. Okay. So the branding is what? It is about why, while the marketing is how. Yes, of course, the example which I have given of the Toyota car is, the branding is for the long term and the marketing is for short term. Okay. Okay. Then branding builds loyalty while the marketing generates response. Okay. The branding is the being and the marketing is what? Doing. And branding creates value, while the marketing extracts the value. Okay, you sell that product and you get the profit. Okay, so that is all about the marketing, but the branding is not. Through that you are getting the belief of your consumer, your customer. Okay, you are gaining the belief of your consumers. Okay, yes, yeah. So till now what we have seen is what is the branding, what is the promotion, and what is now we'll see why it is important for the startup to go ahead with the branding. Okay, the very first point is the branding and the promotion helps you stand out from the competition. Yes, as I said earlier also, right? There are so many startups are coming nowadays in almost every sector. It's not only in the technical, almost every sector. Okay, you take any category you think, and you'll get the number of startups are coming in that area. Okay, but you need to stand distinct among the crowd. Okay, so the branding is that one. It helps you out to stand from the entire crowd. Okay, builds brand recognition. Yes, if you want to build a successful brand, you need to be recognized. Okay, how you'll get recognized? If you do the right branding. What I mean by that, if you design the impactful logo, if you design your logo, impactful website, if you do that, okay, there should be a relation between everything. Your logo is something, your website is telling something else. That things will not work out. Okay, so the designing of logo, the website, and the other assets, that should go hand in hand. Okay, and that will help you out distinct in among the crowd. Okay, and that will increase your brand recognition in the market. Okay, next is create a consistent brand experience for your customer. Yeah, that's very, very important for your business. Okay, in order to succeed, you need to provide consistent experience for your customer, however they interact with your brand. Okay, whether that's to your website, that's to with a person event, or by following your social media account. Okay, so branding allows you to control how the people perceive and experience your brand. Okay, next, sparks a connection with your audience and turns that audience into a loyal customer. Yes, you need to make a strong bonding with your customer, so that if initially, if you're and how you'll get that strong bonding, if you add in your logo, in your branding, if you don't just uh, make it colorful thing, but you also add culture to it. Okay, add some idea, some culture about your place. If you do that, that will transfer from a prospect into a customer, and a customer into a brand enthusiastic. Okay, so yes, so these are the factors, these are the things for which you need to do the branding of your product. Okay, yeah, let's, if you read out this thing, what I say is in the previous slide. Okay, that same thing is given. Still, if you are not convinced with the importance of branding for the startups, here are some statements. What are those statements? The 95 of the world's population recognize Coca-Cola logo. Isn't it that true? You can take the example of Maggie itself. Okay, and they also have those taglines, those professional statements. Okay, so through which the people identify, oh, this is so and so brand. Okay, so I'll obviously, I mean, everybody is going for it, I'll also go for it. Okay, then 86% of the consumers prefer an authentic and honest brand personality on social network. Yes, That is even true. 95.4% of people said they will be highly likely to recommend a brand they are emotionally engaged with. Okay, that's the reason I have purposely shown that video so that you could understand this thing. Okay, then, if you know the padhega India to badhega India, this kind of lines are there. So there they also touch the culture, they touch the entire your nation, and so the people get emotionally attached with it. Okay, and they actually go for it, and they recommend the others also to go for it. Okay, then 77% of B2B is what? Business to business marketers says branding is crucial for the growth. Yes, it is highly important. Branding is highly important for the growth. Okay, presenting a brand consistently across all the platforms can increase revenue by 23%. Yes, nowadays we have so many platforms available. If you promote your brand over there, obviously your revenue get increased by much percentage. Okay, so on an average it takes 5 to 7 impressions for the people to remember your brand. Exactly. Okay, so that is what it is very important to do the branding for your startups. Okay, yeah, same thing shown here with some picture. Okay, why it is needed? It is it gives you the unique identity. It increase the visibility. If you want to stay long in the market, you need this. Okay, so branding gives your business unique identity. Correct. It helps increase your visibility. Now, see, in India, or so many companies are there who are making these shoes, running shoes, right? But the most of the people, they are going for this Nike only. So the Nike sells excellent in India. Okay, because that's a brand. Okay, now people trust on this brand. Okay, and they have consistently earned that trust. Okay, by delivering same quality through so many years. Okay, now we as a India, what we are among the largest milk producing nations among the world, in the world, right? But still in India the people prefer this Amul. Why? Because this brand is developed. It is Amul, the taste of India. Okay, so brand gives a personality to your business. Okay, and that's what is very important. Yeah, now we'll see, till now we discussed what is branding, why it is required. Now we'll see what are the fundamental basics of the startup branding. Okay, and the very first one is create a website. Yes, website is crucial. It's very important. This is the first place where the your potential customers and the investors will search for you. So it has to be well maintained. Okay, if it is not that way, you will be left behind. Okay, so designing your website is also a key branding step. Okay, your website is your brand's digital face, isn't it? It's your website is your brand's real estate, you could say. And when your customer visit, it should be visually appealing. Okay, easy to use, and most importantly, your website should be the reflection of who you as a brand. Okay, now the thing is, if I'm going for any startup, I'm developing some good stuff, right? But I'm not good in creating this website, so what will I do? Okay, because I cannot look after all the things. Okay, so there are some good website developers or the freelancers. You need to contact to them and get your website done as per your requirement. Okay, but it has to be easy to use and appealing also. Okay, so that's a very important part, that designing a creative website. Okay, the second step which you can uh, uh, adapt is like define your brand's purpose. That's again very important point. A well defined purpose is at the core of brand identity, and it is what separates truly from the successful enterprises from the rest of your group. Okay, so the purpose is not only limited to what the startup aims, but it also includes its culture and its ideals. Okay, so you need to write that purpose very clearly, okay, in all your platforms. Next, design a visual identity. That's what very important point. Visual identity is, you can say, it's your logo. Okay, so the visual aspect of the brand is extremely important, and it has the great impact on the perception of your company. The visual language should always align with your brand's identity. Okay, so initially the people think that what is there, why to go for the making the logo and all this thing. If my product is good, it will work, but it is not. Okay, so please do not neglect this thing. This is very important, that you design a visual really appealing or meaningful logo. Okay, it should be in line with the name of your company. Okay, again, for this, I mean, there are the designers or the freelancers who can you just tell that these are my requirement, and you go and design this logo. Okay, so you can get it done from the other people. Okay, yeah, give the startup a voice. Yes, this concept is not actually the new. It's from few years. Uh, we the many people. I mean, not only the startup or any organization, any institution. Okay, they use this method, uh, that they are giving the voice to their consumers. Okay, and the brands have indefinite ways to reach to the public. Okay, and the public can also reach to you. Okay, so that is one of the way. If you give a voice to your customer, they will give you the feedback, and you can work on that. Okay, so this voice can be both. It could be verbal or it could be written, uh, and it is derived from uh, the purpose and the ideals, and it should go to the your audience or your customers with the consistency. Okay, the next fundamental basics of the startup branding is utilize social media. Right, we are using it for all the purpose nowadays, right? So why can't you use this for the branding of your product? Yes, that's the great, I mean, social media present is much more than the part of group branding effort. Okay, it is the, what you could say, it's the prime platform or the main platform where through which you can reach out with your customer. Okay, so yeah, you utilize all kind of social media. You use Instagram, you use Facebook, already your website is there, so you use all this kind of social media and get when you need to have the consistent connections with the audience, with your customers, so you need to update all those things everywhere. Okay, so that's a very strong tool, I could say, for the branding, that utilize social media and think out of the box. Yes, that is the one, you could say, the fundamental basic, which which will give you the distinct identity in the crowd. Okay, you need to think very creatively. Okay, you need to, when you are making the tagline of your product or your company, you have to think 100 times, and the way you are promoting it, that should be very creative. Okay, so there is the true creativity and the entrepreneurship skills shines through. And in, you know, what I said, in today's environment where so many startups, are flooding into the market, these things makes a difference. Think outside the box. Okay, the innovations and the creativity will come under this factor. Okay, so since you have the innovations, that will, you can show through your product, through your service, through your app, or through your concept ideas. Okay, but how to put it creatively, that is again very, very important, and that's what the concept of branding and the promotion. Okay, yes. Now here I'll show you some, you may be waiting for this slide. These are the startups by our own student. Okay, so I'm showing here one picture. Okay, this is the name of the company, Utopia Tech. Okay, and this is founded by the passionate group of engineers. And who are they? They are the students of electronics engineering department, Mr. Ayush Shah and Shashank, Ayush Jain and Shashank Shah, something the batch of I think 2013 or 14. Okay, so this is the startup by these two students of FRCRCE. Okay, now what is their product is? The product is this smart switch, time switch, which is a next generation time switch that allows remote management of electrical loads via your smartphones. So we're not going into the detail of what their company is doing or what product they are offering, what service they are offering. You can search on the this site, typing this Utopia Tech on the Google search engine, and you'll get it. Okay, so what I want to show you here is why they choose this name Utopia Tech. Okay, what is the literal meaning of this utopia? Is like, it is something which is perfect. It's like a perfect society where the people are living happily, no clashes are there. It's some imaginary space where everything is perfect. Okay, so that is called as the utopia. So it is what so they have chosen the name so creatively, that Utopia Tech. Okay, and what it's enabling the smarter planet. Okay, so look at this, the correlation of these two words you can find in their logo. Okay, what is this? Enabling the smarter planet. Which planet? We are on the earth. So they have chosen this circle, okay, that depicts the earth. Okay, and they are what? They are promising to connect the infrastructure. Okay, so here you can see that this infrastructure are connected in a smarter way. Okay, so they are actually using the IoT technology and making their what you could say, their product more smarter. Okay, yeah. So that's their tagline: connecting physical infrastructure to the digital world. Okay, so see here, what you need to focus on, why they have chosen their logo like this. Okay, because their name is Utopia Tech, and it's for the smarter planet, and they are connecting physical infrastructure to the digital worlds. Okay, so they have shown the connection of this infrastructure this way. Okay, student. Yes, and I'll show you one more interesting picture in the next slide. Okay, this is the picture I got yesterday only. This Utopia Tech, they have completed their successful 4 years. Okay, so this is what they are keeping their branding updated. They are promoting their product. And how? There is a simple way. Okay, completed 4 years of the inception, but what in that 4 word, could you see this, what they have written? That is, you know, so see, so much of creativity is there. Okay, what kind of work they have done in those 4 years, everything they have mentioned in this just letter 4. So see the creativity. Okay, like from 2017 to 2021, this 4 years they completed, and they completed 100 plus projects. They deployed, how many IoT device they deployed? 3,500. Okay, how many clients they have? 75 plus clients, managing 1 lakhs plus electrical asset, and so many. So whatever are their achievements, okay, in those 4 years, everything they have mentioned in just this number 4. So this is what the last point what I told you, out of box thinking. Okay, so here is what, how creatively they have mentioned their work. Okay, and they are keep updating their site, their all the platforms, social media, everywhere, so people get to know, oh yes, this is Utopia Tech, and see, here is their brand. Okay, so this is again not some big multinational companies or the big corporates, they are our own students. Okay, but how well they are doing. Okay, so not only they focused on their product, they also focused on the branding, their logo, and everything. Okay, so that is what I mean to say. You just don't focus on something technically, but you also focus on how I will make that product, how will I get that product into the market. Okay, yes. And this is the second company by our own student. Okay, Gaurav Sen, and he is from the computer department. Okay, so he has work experience. He has earlier was the software engineer at Ube directly, and the Morgan Stanley, and so on. Sorry, students. Okay, and now he has his own startup, which is named as Interview Ready. Even if you search this one in the Google, you'll get the information about it. Okay, he has his own YouTube channel and so on. But I'm not interested in the other part of it. I'm only interested here in the name of the company and see its logo. How closely they are matching. Okay, and how creatively they make the logo. So it is Interview Ready. Through this, he is making you or other people's ready for the interviews. Okay, so the kind of there are the two peoples, and they are on the both sides of the table, and they put a click. Okay, so here is what that, if you just look at that symbol, you'll get to know, okay, this is what Interview Ready. Okay, it's again a startup. Okay, but they started thinking of it and making the logo so uniquely that during the course of the time, the people will recognize them. Okay, yes. So what's the bottom line of the whole discussion today is the branding and the promotion is a way of communicating your offering and the value to the world, and establishing a presence, and points out the difference that will hopefully urge customer to try your product and choose you over the others. Okay, that's very important. Why? I mean, you are going, so many, if 10 students are going with the same product, okay, why will I choose this? Why will I go for your product? Okay, so there should be something distinct, and that distinctness, that uniqueness, you can bring into light through branding and the promotion. Okay, so here I'll conclude this session with these 3 points. The first one is right branding. Okay, what it consists of? It consists of the impactful logo, website, and other brand asset that helps you carve out a distinct style and increases your brand recognition in the market. Okay, the branding and the promotion brings you into light and helps people recognize your existence. Obviously, it improves your visibility. That is what we want. Okay, it increase your visibility not among the consumer but among other stakeholders. Okay, about the investor also, so they can, they can show their interest, to get a tie-up with your company. Okay, so that is what the importance. It's not only you are making your customer to go for your product, but also you are attracting the, potential investor to invest in your company. Okay, the last point is very important, that there is nothing that is more important to the startup than gaining visibility. It is the visibility that brings in opportunities, right? And this fact well emphasizes the importance of branding for startups. Okay, so this is what all I want to convey you all, student. If you have any questions, you are welcome. Yes, students? If you have any questions, you can raise your question.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So here I'll conclude the session. Thank you, student.
Thank you.
Can I request all of you to just switch on your cameras for a few seconds? So we'll take a picture. I could see only 1-2 cameras. Yeah, Ayush, yeah, I am. I'm changing the layout so that all of us can accommodate in one screen itself. Okay. So thank you, students. Thank you. Here I'm ending the session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.